Wiring batteries in parallel is how you increase capacity while keeping the same system voltage. In a parallel connection, you connect positive to positive and negative to negative. Voltage stays the same while amp-hour capacity increases. So if you connect two 12-volt 100 amp-hour battle-borne batteries in parallel, you get a 12-volt 200 amp-hour system. The process is straightforward. Start by placing matched batteries together and using properly sized cables to connect all positive terminals together and all negative terminals together. Your main system connections should be taken from opposite ends of the battery bank. This helps keep current flow balanced across all batteries. Balanced wiring is important. Using equal length cables and consistent connection points ensures each battery charges and discharges evenly. That helps maintain performance and long-term reliability. It's also important to use the same battery model and amp-hour rating throughout the system. Mixing different batteries can lead to imbalance and reduced performance. Parallel wiring is the most common way to expand a battle-borne battery bank. As your energy needs grow, you can add additional batteries to increase runtime without changing system voltage. When wired correctly, parallel systems provide a simple and scalable way to build capacity into your lithium power system.